There's all kinds of cars out here.
Double, bring that heat, boy.
What's going on, Saunders Lifestyle? Today's another day in the
UK.
Yeah, boy, we're about to head out to this car show, car gathering, I guess you want to call it, car event. Supposed to be a lot of different cars out here, multiple different varieties of cars, from old schools to new schools. So we're about to link up with some guys and then convoy out. You ready? You excited?
Yeah.
What you excited
Finally.
about? Finally, after about what, a year? Oh man, let me fix my camera. It looks like it was blurry. Yeah, it's been what? How long?
A year, something.
Yeah, about a year and some change since we've been anywhere.
So boring.
But yeah, man, it's gonna be our first time actually taking a Hellcat out to an event. So, got the wife behind me in the Jeep, stunting, of course. Got them all cleaned up really good. So, yeah, we're about to head out right now. Get on this road. I'll turn you guys on when we get to the first location.
L double got that fire.
Oh, what up? Made it down to the location in Stoneham Barn Park. And yeah, we're out here. So it's a lot of cars out here. Feel like we're in America. We got the family out here.
It does not feel like we're in America.
Yeah, it is. But hold on. Dang, check the shoe game. Dude. The shoe game. What's it say? Heart mind. This girl, she stay on fleek. So anyways, guys, we're gonna walk around, show you guys some of the cars that they got out here. Just give you guys a little bit of this B-roll footage of these cars that they're out here. So give you a quick scan of what's out here. Feels like you're in America. But yeah, I'll turn you guys on here in a minute, but give you guys some of this B-roll footage in 3, 2,
1.
Let's go.
L double got that fire.
Yo, so check out this Mustang, right-hand drive. Yes, it's a GT 5.0. Huh? So look at that. It's on the left hand or right hand side drive is the steering wheel sits on. So yeah, for you guys that are Mustang fans, they got Mustangs out here in the UK. I'm assuming they make them out here, but I'm not 100% sure. But this thing looks good, man. Got that American flag on the back though. Looks really good.
But you've also got Stoneham Village, which has got lots of artisans.
All right, so we found this golf thing while we're over here. They want to go golfing.
Dad, I'm gonna beat you. I never said I wanted to.
So we'll get back to the cars here shortly, but Isaiah found this mini golf area. It's called Adventure Golf.
Start us off.
We're entering right now. Let's see whose game's up to par. Hey, hold on. So whoever wins gets what?
What?
I don't know. Y'all tell me.
$10.
You got $10?
Yeah.
You got $10?
No.
You got $10?
Yeah. I'll say
Alright.
someone has to pay for lunch.
Okay.
But we can't.
All right. Yeah. So whoever wins doesn't have to pay. That's what you just said. All right. So the less hits.
Wait, how
Is
do you
this
know
one?
how
Where's the holes at there? Okay. This is one. Every green one is one.
This is a hoy. Yeah.
Okay.
a bloy?
All right.
Mama, watch out,
So-
there's a snake.
Isaiah is up to bat right now,
Up to bat.
or up to
Up to face.
putt.
Come
I don't
on
know. Oh no.
Where?
All right. I'm going next.
No.
Yes.
That's one, Isaiah.
Get me.
Wait, I thought I had to make a goal.
Yeah, I thought he was.
You. Like, you have to make it first.
I had to make it first.
Oh,
He's pirate one.
that's two,
Two.
3.
Oh, you're close.
I'm gonna hit it off the rock into the hole. Watch.
Yep.
Ready? Damn. So where do I start? Right here?
No, that's an out.
Yeah, right there.
That's two right there because you're picking up for moving.
No, that'll count.
Yes, that does.
No, it
Do I start
doesn't.
again?
You better go
Yes,
to
you
the
have
rock.
to. You have to start again if it goes out of the
Oh,
area.
I start again?
He has to start again.
All right.
But he still has a
So
bit.
that's one hit
He
though.
still has one bit.
All right.
Yeah.
Watch it right here. Watch this move. You ready?
Watch it hit.
So that's 2. You gonna get it?
Maybe.
You're gonna make it. You're good at it.
Oh, 3. Oh, I got a little lump right here.
Yeah.
4.
Four.
Cameron got the big old fluffy jacket on.
That's how cold it is out here.
It's supposed to be springtime. Okay, that's one hit. You're in the sand. I guess it's supposed to be sand. Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? Oh, he got rejected by the line. 3.
That's 3. I'm winning.
Why are you shooting it from there? Dude, she cheating.
Ain't no start
She
point.
cheating.
Yeah, there is no starting point, so.
Oh, rejected. Oh, let's see. That's 1.
That'd be 2. This would be 2. She makes it? Makes it?
Okay. She got 2.
Me and Mama are in the lead.
All right, moving on to the next one. Oh! That would have been nasty if it went. Yeah, that'd have been a good ass shot.
That was so close, guys.
Oh man, that would have been a good shot, man.
have been nice. No, it hit that, and then it went like,
Dang, that'd have been good. That went right in.
yeah.
Hole in one?
No way. Oh, bounce.
Hole in one! Ma'am, how do you feel about that hole in one?
That was a tough one.
It was the shoes, though. It was the shoes. It was the shoes.
Heart and mind, we're into it.
Damn, how'd she get a hole in one? Almost got one.
Yeah, you.
She cheated. She cheated, I swear.
It's on camera, I didn't cheat.
We just finished. Who won?
I did. No, camera
Mommy
won.
lying. Cameron won.
I got
So,
last place.
We're finished here at the Suffolk Golf, Adventure Golf. We're gonna hit this car scene back up. Let's get back to some cars. So just came across this Cadillac. It's got original 26,000 miles on it. This is something that out here in Texas, boy, these guys love to have this. That's roughly about $12,000 for this. Let me know if that's a steal or not. Actually, I took a picture of the telephone number. I mean, it don't look that bad. I don't see no rust on it. It's got originally 26,000 miles on this, but roughly about $12,000, man. Y'all tell me if y'all boys think this is a steal out in Texas. I can see somebody buying this and throwing some elbows on it,
Yeah,
some
I think
super
you should.
pokes.
Ooh, look at that.
What? That's pretty nice too. But yeah, it looks good, man. You got a rip in the top, but other than that, looks pretty mint, as they would say. Yo, Cameron, you think they'll drive that in Texas? Not the Cadillac, but this thing right here, about to show these guys.
I don't know.
Mommy, you think they'll drive that in Texas?
Who?
Somebody would.
It looks like
Reminds me of Cruella DeVille's car.
yeah, it looks like a Thunderbird though, like top part of it. Y'all check this out. Let me know what y'all think. That's crazy. What is it? A classic? It says Classic Tiffany. It almost looks like it has the Thunderbird top half. Looks nice though. I don't know what it is.
Where are you going?
Maybe this one. Ooh, look at this Impala. Dang, this thing is nice. Super clean. Got the halo lights on it. I'm telling y'all, man, there's a lot of American cars out here. Check this out. It's crazy. I wonder where they get these things from. Or how long they've been here in the UK, right? It looks good, huh? Check out this Bel Air. It's really nice. It looks really good. Sorry, I got music playing in the background. My microphone probably picking it up, so I'm trying to talk over it.
I think.
It's a real car right there. It's nice. Sorry, that's a real car.
The black one over there is really nice.
I haven't seen that one yet. We'll walk, make our way over.
No seat colour.
Look at that beast right there, boy. Alright, about to go. It's cold. Alright guys, so excuse me, about to leave the car show. Look who I got with me. I got Isaiah. You wanna hold the camera, man?
Yeah.
You wanna talk to the camera at all?
Yeah. We're gonna give you some pulls on the way back home. It's gonna be a long drive home. And like, subscribe, turn on all notifications, comment whatever you want. That one looks cool. How the inside,
Oh yeah,
like
like it's
bends
opened up. Like it's broken open.
Yeah. That one's my favorite. The milk-ish, the Mustang one.
Which one?
The black-ish, brownish. Black and brown.
Oh, who's that right there? Mama.
It'll burn out right here.
Oh, how you get out?
Dad, you have all that space.
All right, man. Hey, do you know which way to go out? Is it this way?
I can't hear ya. I can't hear ya. Go on.
I said, which way is it go out? Is it that way?
It's that way.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, man. We'll see you, man.
See you soon.
Yep. Take care. What's up, man?
You don't go that way, I think.
Is that the way you go?
You just sent some that way.
Okay. All right, I'll go that way. See you later.
Yeah, because lots of people are going out that way. That's Punch Buggy. That's cool.
Fucking proper. You mean that?
That red Mustang looks nice.
All right, man.
Oh my god. That scared me.
All right, guys. So that's gonna be the end of the video today. We was out and about today at this little car event out in Stoneham Barn Park. So
They have adventure golf. They have a little trampoline.
yep. So if you wanna, if you got kids, right, you can come and bring them out here. Yeah. So if you got kids, man, it's a good little place to
And
come
you
out.
can maybe play some soccer over here.
Oh yeah, you could play soccer out there too. We got an open field. But yeah, man, we appreciate you guys hanging out with us today. If you haven't, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. What else they need to do?
Like, comment, whatever you want. Put notifications on.
Notification bell.
Notification bell.
Turn it on. All right, for any future videos, man. Other than that, Sauna's Lifestyle, and we are out.